recognize all this stuff. Petrified sausages, old Mr. Vitale, and that's... I'm taking them home, and I like to see anyone try and stop me. I'm walking on sunshine. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Can you believe it, Bender? I'm gonna have my best friend back. Come on, boy. Come back to life.
I thought you were my friend, but if you love your dog so much, maybe you'd rather play fetch. Now I'm all you got.
Goodbye, Seymour.
What's he so worked up about?
He's just upset because our boy's missing.